Indiana. Madam, where are you guys from?
Washington DC.
Washington DC. Get closer. Use all these areas, guys. Let's do like a semicircle. Okay. So, Washington, right?
Yes.
Muy bien.
All from Washington.
Washington.
Indiana.
Indiana?
Missouri.
Missouri. Muy bien. Let me know, familia. Did you ever drink tequila before?
Sí.
Never.
Yeah. What type of tequila you guys drink at home? Any special friend? Patron.
Jose.
Jose. Whatever comes in a margarita. Sí, muy bien. Let me explain you this very simple and quickly, familia. First of all, good afternoon. Welcome to my Mexico Lindo Tequila Tour. My name is Juan. I'm going to take care of you today, okay? I'm going to share with you some info about tequila. Familia, in Mexico exist two different tequila qualities. Commercial tequilas, which are all the brands that we can find in a liquor store. You know those names like Jose Cuervo, like Patron, 1800, Don Julio. There's about 1,200 brands of commercial tequila, okay? In Mexico, we have something different. It's the one we call handcrafted organic tequila. What are the difference? Simple. Commercial tequila, most of the people don't like it because it's kind of bitter, it's kind of burning, okay? And if we drink too much, headaches, hangovers. Is that right?
Yes.
That's commercial tequila.
Very much so.
And that's why most of the people call it tequila, okay? Now, handcrafted tequila will be smooth, sweet, no headaches, no hangovers, okay? Don't take me wrong, familia. We're still getting drunk and doing crazy things, yes. But no headaches, no headaches, okay? How come? Because we don't use any extra sugar in tequila. It's just agave. Obviously, to make it, we need to follow a process. Everything by hand, since harvest to bottling, okay? Where do we make this product? As you notice in the way in, there's no factories around here, okay? You can see in the picture, right now we're at Cozumel. The unique place allowed to make tequila start to age in barrels will give us color, aroma, and taste. What type of barrels we use? American oak barrels, the ones we get from Tennessee, United States. Jack Daniel barrels. 11 months in a barrel, reposado. 7 years in a barrel, añejo. 12 years in a barrel, extra añejo. That means all of them taste different, and obviously, guys, all of them have a different purpose. Blanco is considered a mixer, margaritas. Reposado is good for a smooth mixed drink or the famous shot. Añejo, versatile, mixed drinks, shots, and also sip tequila, all right? 12, strictly for sipping. And no sharing, okay? Special tequila for special occasions, okay? As you notice, guys, we have another bottle right here. This is our Gold Family Reserve Special Edition Tequila. Only 100 bottles a year, okay? 20 years aged in a cognac barrel. All right? This is 7 years, añejo. Are you gonna serve you some?
Try them.
Okay, thank you.
Don't drink.
Jose Cuervo introduced us.
Jose Cuervo. Don't drink.
That's a long story.
It's tiny.
Me no habla inglés. There you go. Ah, there you go. Un poco. Muy bien. Mis amigos, this is 7 years añejo tequila. What you gonna do with this? First, smell it. Get used to it deeply. Muy bien. After smell, you gotta drink all of it at once. Wait for me. Once your tequila is touching the tummy, breathe in deeply through the nose. Exhale through the mouth.
Okay.
After swallow. You got it? See?
Swallow it,
Mis amigos,
breathe in.
swallow it. Touching the tummy, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, mis amigos, welcome to Mexico. Welcome to Cozumel. Please enjoy it. Salud.
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 Enjoy it. Drink it. Swallow it. Inhale. Exhale.
I think I
Let me know, sir. How was
think I
it?
did that right.
It was
Good? Good? How was it, familia? Good? Familia? Good? You can feel that spicy flavor as tequila, but let's be honest, you don't feel that burning sensation going down as a regular tequila does. Instead of that, it's just a nice, smooth aftertaste. This is how a real Mexican tequila has to be. Okay? 7 years añejo. The next one we're going to try, family, is the 12 years extra añejo tequila.
Everything.
This is the Mexican cognac.
I get buzzed off of
Just a little.
wine. I mean, I seriously do.
What happened, man?
I said I get buzzed off communion wine. So this is, I'm going to be.
Okay. It's the communion day.
Yeah.
Mis amigos, this is 12 years extra ñeco tequila. Since 95 in the top 10 of the best tequilas in the country. Extra ñeco. Do the same process. Smell tequila. Get used to it. After smell, drink it, swallow it, inhale, exhale. Salud. Enjoy.
Salud. Salud.
12 years extra ñeco tequila. Limited bottles also, 1,500 bottles every 2 years, okay?
That is so
So
smooth.
guys,
Yeah.
this is
Nothing
something
on
to
it.
sip on a special occasion.
That's a
Not
sip
a
on.
bird.
Okay?
Wow.
How was it, sir? Good?
Do they,
Bien?
now, is that with ice typically or just straight?
Not
Just-
really though, okay? Mis amigos, if you guys want to chill tequila, I would recommend to put your bottle into the freezer or fridge. No ice cubes, no water, no Coca-Cola.
You don't want to water
Okay?
it down.
Muy bien. It will water down tequila.
That is
Now, way to drink it at home. Instead of using that shot glass, you can use a cognac glass or wine glass where you can swirl it, smell it, and also sip. Okay? Muy bien, mis amigos. Right now, we're going to do flavored tequilas. Let me remind you guys, this type of tequila, you're never going to find it back in the States or Canada. It's for sale only in Mexico. This is piña colada, pineapple, coconut. Okay.
Is it fresh juices in there?
It's fresh pineapple, strained coconut water, agave syrup, and tequila. Oops, sorry, man. Mis amigos,
Wow, smell
this
that.
one will be sweet, okay? That means this one you have to drink it on the rocks, do it frozen, or what I usually do with this ones, I use a snow cone. Put it
snow
on a
cone.
snow cone. Oh, wait. Amigos,
That'd be the thing to get them.
no process at all. Drink it straight. Enjoy it. Salud.
Salud. Salud.
Piña colada tequila. How was it? Good?
Good.
Bueno. Okay. You gotta be careful about this one though. It's easy to drink. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's a dangerous
It
drink.
doesn't have a bite
Okay?
at all.
Muy bien. That's piña colada.
Oh,
Mis amigos,
how much that costs.
remember, you're never gonna find this that
That is-
1,500 bottles every 2 years. So guys,
Well, remember, that was
You
the
would have to get
400.
someone drunk before they walk
not
out.
fit. That's too much money. So remember, if you decide to get a bottle of this, guys, for sure, you're gonna get something real, something outside. Okay? Muy bien. Right now, we're gonna do a tropical fruit, which is called guanabana, sour sap. Did you ever hear about guanabana? No?
No.
The fruit, it has the size of a coconut, is green, with spikes all around it, white inside with black seeds, okay?
I've seen that fruit.
Guanabana.
Panagaya Chinese, it's big, spikes on it.
Դե հացի ծառն է երևի։
Hatan խոշոր է,
Հա,
spikes-ներ կա վրան։
հա, էդի ոնց որ կոչվում է
Եվ
հացենի։
որ գտրեն գոր,
Parts of the fruit.
եւ պանի
Good.
Kind of. Guanabana.
Kind of.
Guanabana.
I think they eat this like a pudding too, just inside of the fruit.
That's custard apple.
That's
Okay?
different
That's
fruit.
different.
It has
Okay?
spikes on it too.
Yeah, it's custard apple, jackfruit. and
Yeah,
gourd.
jackfruit.
Right, right, yeah.
Salud.
Salud, enjoy.
Good.
Yeah, I already did.
It tastes to a lot of different things. Kind of pear, kind of kiwi, kind of pineapple, you know.
It's very sweet.
Passion fruit.
On the rocks,
Maybe passion
it's really good.
That is
On the
really
rocks are
good.
frozen, okay? Muy bien, mis amigos. Right now, we're gonna do a after dinner tequila. This is one of my favorites. This is almonds. You like almonds? See?
Is
After
it
dinner.
this one right here?
Yes.
Yeah, I pass on that. I'm
Why,
gonna
you're
try the
allergic to almonds, madam?
hazelnut one.
You're allergic to almonds?
No, but I
Why you
want
don't
to try the hazelnut one. This is enough for me.
That's never enough, madam.
Yeah, it's enough.
You have driving problem.
Yeah.
If you're driving, the road goes wider. Here.
You're driving up here.
I'm ready. Hey, he said the road goes wide.
Almond tequila. After dinner on the rocks is delicious. You can put it on ice cream. Okay, you can bake with it, cook with it. Salud, enjoy it.
Hazelnut-ին
Oh, yeah. It's
Oh,
nice to be
wow.
different.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too good.
That is so good.
How was it? Almendra, almond tequila. Remember, good after dinner. Muy bien. The flavor ones, the almond is the strongest one, 20%. The rest of the flavors, 14%. Straight tequila, 38% alcohol content, okay? This is my favorite, mis amigos. hazelnut, cinnamon, vanilla, chocolate,
Yes.
coffee, tequila.
Ooh.
Yes.
If you guys do coffee
I
at
even
morning,
like the color.
if you guys do coffee in morning, put a shot of this in your coffee.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get work done.
Okay. If you're gonna work that day, put 3 shots in the
You do fast.
You work fast, like andale, chop, chop.
That smells good.
Familia. You like ice cream? Vanilla ice cream?
Yes.
Put it on it. Put it on a cake, a tres leches cake. Use it on tiramisu. It's
Yeah.
delicious. Enjoy.
This one I like.
Oh, wow.
Getting this out of the oven or that?
Pound cake.
How was it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Good?
really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Perfecto.
Yeah?
Can you do like a reduction of it or just have it? Oh my God.
Oh, that is delicious.
Muy bien, mis amigos, let's finish with this. Give me just one more minute of your time. First of all, let me thank you for Taste Tequila. I hope you like it.
Yes.
You know the main purpose in here is if you want to purchase a few bottles. So let me go with prices and also rules, okay? Question, you guys are staying in Cozumel?
Yes.
You're staying in Cozumel? You're flying back to the States, right?
Yes.
Muy bien, perfecto. In that case, you know, the rules are simple. Everything needs to go in your suitcase, no carry-ons, all right? How many bottles you can take in your suitcase? You can take duty-free limits, 5 bottles per person, okay? You can take more than that, yes, you can do it, but you will pay extra duty per bottle, okay? And everything depends how many bottles you get. Usually it goes between $3 to $5 per extra bottle, okay? Now, so basically, as many you want, you just pay the extra duties for it, okay? We give you the bottle already wrapped in a hard shell cardboard, extra tape to keep it kind of break for the crowders to a safe journey, okay? Now, ways to pay, you can swipe Visa, MasterCard, swipe the cards on it, and if you do cash, don't care about pesos, we give you right card. Each one of the flavors is skipping coffee. Regular price in our public is $59 US, okay? You guys can witness, we have a